नमस्कार, मैं हूं इमरान। आपके साथ आप देख रहे हैं फसल क्रांति और मैं इस समय मौजूद हूं ग्लोबल वर्टिकल फार्मिंग शो के तीसरे संस्करण में। और जो हमारे खास मेहमान आज मौजूद हैं वो है अन्नपूर्णा शंकर जी, इन्वेस्ट इंडिया से सेक्टर लीड इन्वेस्ट इंडिया। मैम, आपका सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत स्वागत है फसल क्रांति में। सबसे पहले आपके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे और कैसे आपका इन्वेस्ट इंडिया से जुड़ा हुआ और इन्वेस्ट इंडिया किस तरीके से काम करता है।
जी, तो इन्वेस्ट इंडिया एक गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी है। हम लोग का बेसिक काम है इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रमोट करना। कोई भी प्रॉब्लम अगर किसी कंपनी को हो रही हो बिजनेस करने में इंडिया में, उसमें हेल्प करना। हम लोग सेंट्रल मिनिस्ट्री, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट सबके साथ काम करते हैं। सो कहीं पे अगर लैंड एक्विजिशन में इशू आ रहा है या कोई अप्रूवल नहीं मिल पा रहा है टाइम पे, दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ स्टफ दैट वी कैन हेल्प आउट विद। वी वर्क अक्रॉस सेक्टर्स, वर्क अक्रॉस verticals. We work with all ministries within the central government as well. So that is the kind of work we do. Agriculture में obviously capacity building is a big thing that we do. Farmers को knowledge building कराना, उनके लिए exercises कराना कि productivity बढ़ पाए, efficiency बढ़ पाए. These are the kind of activities that we've been undertaking.
Let's say example, some of the startups or the companies want to explore themselves in agriculture sector, especially in India, in our country. So how you are going to help? What kind of policies or this terms and conditions Invest India having for them?
So see, the idea is to promote ease of doing business for everybody. We do stakeholder consultations to understand the pitfalls that people are facing. If there's any certain roadblocks in terms of policy, in terms of approvals, in terms of licenses, whatever the issue is, we'll hold stakeholder consultations. We'll call 10 representatives from an industry, sit them together, जो भी उनके issues हैं उनको discuss करते हैं. Then we take them to the government, tell them that ये problems आ रहे हैं. We try to see what kind of government support can be extended, whether it can be moved into a policy, whether it can be an issue that's resolved in one go. So that is how we function. And that is the way we sort of try to work.
As we know, in last couple of years, we saw there's many startups coming up with the new ideas and the technologies. So, do you have something for that to like any kind of platform to promote that kind of technology or financial support, something like that?
So Startup India है. Startup India actually falls under Invest India. We're the parent agency for Startup India. We basically there are startup incubation programs that we do. There's also startup challenges where we'll present a problem statement, we'll call for entries, then those startups can sort of put together a minimum viable product for showcasing. Then uske basis pe they get funding. I think there's a cap of about 25 lakhs for the first round or something of that sort, but we have a separate startup team for this, and that is a very good platform for any startup that's looking to enter.
So as you are participating in this vertical farming, so you are a speaker also over there. What do you think? What is the scope of this vertical farming? As many companies coming up with the ideas and the technologies. So what do you think on that?
So I still feel that vertical farming, urban farming is in its nascent stages in India. अभी बहुत दूर जाना बाकी है. अगर दुबई देखे, वहाँ पे they started from scratch. They had and उनके पास तो पानी का भी issue रहा है. They still managed to make the biggest hydroponic farm in the world there. So there's a lot to learn from them. There's a long way for India to go. Abhi we need to get in more companies again so that things can be scaled down for people to actually be able to access those technologies. अभी बहुत महंगा है. The idea again is to bring in companies to invest in India, make things more reachable and accessible for everybody across the board.
So we spoke with some of the visitors as well as we spoke with the exhibitors. So there's a actually issue in terms of financial. If we talk about the vertical farming, so infrastructure that is costly. So that is the challenge among the industry as well as who is adopting the technology. So don't you think there's a need to reform a policy from the government side or something there's a need to subsidize the products?
There absolutely is. I know that various state governments are already coming up with certain subsidies that they are offering people in the vertical farming space. I can say that even the central government is working on a policy for vertical farming, for hydroponics. Obviously, it's in its nascent stages and it will take some time before it comes out, but it is in the works. It's this area has been getting a lot of attention and traction from the government too, and hopefully within the next 1 year we'll have something to put out.
At the end, I would like to request you to convey a message for the industry and who is struggling with their startup and the companies to sustain their startup. To convey a message from Invest India side.
So Invest India would really want more and more investors to come in to support industry. There's a lot of scope in India. The market is huge, be it a production market. Again, come to invest in India, and we're here to support you. We're here to help you out with whatever you need.
Thank you so much
Thank you.
for being with us.